Hola Buffett, welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport. Keep on supporting Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport and subscribe, guys. Today we're going to talk about Kaizer Chiefs and the game that played today, Richards Bay versus the Orlando Pirates. We saw the game, we saw how Richards Bay were fighting also as well to fight for themselves. They played very well. They played very well because I was looking at maybe Orlando Pirates, they're going to beat Richards Bay maybe 4-0 or 3, you understand, but we saw them fighting for themselves to say we are here. And the referee, if the referee was not in favor of Orlando Pirates, we were going to see maybe a draw and then extra time and then penalties. But the referee somewhere, I don't think he was doing well because we saw the Richards Bay players were being fouled, but the referee was taking sides. But anyway, even the Orlando Pirates, they played well. They played well. But there's this thing of Junior Kanye when Orlando Pirates is playing, maybe they score only one goal and then the score ended by 1-0. You will say they played well, but when it's Kaizer Chiefs, you will start saying a lot of stuff. They are poor, they can't even score more goals, the game was boring, and that is wrong. From someone who claimed to be analyzing football, guys, because when you're analyzing football, guys, you don't take sides, you say the truth the way it is. So I don't know which truth it does Junior Kanye talk, because it looks like he's taking side and it's wrong. And the other thing, guys, I don't see anything that will stop us from beating Orlando Pirates, guys, because we saw the way they play, and as the problem was injuries and the saga that happened from Cape Town space and Abu Velepa and Abu Batman. But as all the players are back, guys, the coaches are starting to see which players will make a combo, and then we'll come back in our feet, guys, and hit the ground running. So we don't have to be stressful as Kaizer Chiefs because of with points we are there. We are nearly to Sundowns, not only Pirates but Sundowns. Thank you, guys.